Hey everybody, this is Dave from Train Day, and today I'm going to show you how to go from text to PowerPoint presentation. Super easy, just like these presentations here.
Our home health aid training program provides comprehensive education and hands-on
And some are ones like this.
Prevention of finance fraud is essential to protect individuals.
And then of course, we do
Police training is a crucial process that prepares individuals.
Using Train Day, super easy, no skill required. So here we are at Train Day. Go ahead and log in here. We'll go and just select like maybe this onboarding right here, workforce training, and we'll just type some text, right? So we'll say home health aides in Jacksonville, Florida at, let's do this, helping hands elder care, right? And maybe we'll put this in like quotations, right? Because this is like our business. We'll say use this data, and we'll just select this one, kind of get our templates from here, and we'll just wait for our samples to come in. It should pick us some nice random presenters that should be in the same industry, probably nursing, right? Then we'll select one of those, and it should give us a presentation that is pretty much 85% to our desired outcome. Then we'll just generate our slides. Maybe we might edit some text, edit some video scripts, edit the font, maybe the sizing of things and the placement of things. But we should be pretty much done just letting the AI do the work, right? So here's our 6 samples. Let's see what we got. All right, these look pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and select this one. All right, so I got my course done. We can go to projects and let's check it out. So here we go. Click on this one and let's see how it turned out. So it gave us random presenters, which is good. Gave us all our video scripts right here. You can go ahead and check them out. You can translate it 30 different languages with one click. And then you can edit a little bit. So we'll go ahead and take this one. We'll put this presenter down a little bit, get it more in the frame. And let's see if we got anything else. This actually looks pretty good for us. We're going to change this presenter though. Just give it like that because we have more of like a nursing theme. We'll go back. And this looks pretty good. So all we need to do now is start to generate our slides. We'll just start out with this one first. We'll click yes, so we want the captions. And you can just keep going through generating the slides. It'll only take about 5 to 10 minutes for the slides to be done. Once they're done, you can just go over here and export to a PowerPoint presentation right there, download it, and use it in whatever you're trying to use it for. And then of course, you can use our LMS by adding your learners, or even export to a scoring project where you can use your quiz. So thanks for watching. Can't wait to see what you build with Train Day, and I'll see you next time.